One last thing that I forgot to mention is this room that I am in right now. I'm not sure how it slipped my mind, but this room was created last summer, the summer going into my junior year. I decided that I wanted to take this thing to a whole nother level and have a really good barbershop.
Let me know, do I still got time to grow? Things ain't always set in stone. That be known, let me know. Seems like street lights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of me. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination, I'm just not there. All these street lights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of me. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination, I'm just not there in these streets. In these streets, I'm just not there. In these streets, I'm just not there. Life just ain't fair.
It's been about a year and almost a year and a half since I've been in here. So much memories in this place, bro. A lot of people ask me like what what happened to the old barbershop, what's going on. This is it. This is it right here. Sometimes you gotta look at what you did to figure out where exactly you were trying to go. I remember it was like in here was just a bunch of junk in here, bro. What's here? It's 2020 right now, and like 2015. I transformed this, like, there was like an in-house garage. I wanted to transform this into a barbershop. The walls were white. Now what I have is my video gear, my mic and my lights. All these boxes are basically wedding gifts. I'm still waiting to close on a condo that we're getting. So once that happens, all of this is gonna be gone. I remember I had a plan of making this the wall of fame. Only got 3 people up here. Forgot to take pictures and stuff. Put up this shelving. Me and my aunt just self-made this one. Had a mirror, all my clippers, corded, remember Omnicord? When I'm in this room, man, I see hunger, bro. I see a kid trying to figure it out. Still trying to figure it out.
How y'all doing today? It's Kev the Barber. 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 With another classic. 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 With another classic.
Now it's called episcleritis. Episcleritis is basically inflammation in your eye. They found that I had inflammation in my blood, which started affecting my eyes, my throat, and it got to the point where it got to such light sensitivity that I couldn't even really open my eyes. They know what the issue is, they just don't know what the cause of it is. They gave me steroids, right? And these are catabolic steroids, I believe. They don't help muscle production, they actually encourage muscle deficiency, water retention, which promotes weight gain, amongst many different side effects, which I started experiencing late February.
Wow, look at the clippers though. Look at the clippers though. I used to live and die by these joints right here. Used to live and die by these, bro. By the speed lines. Used to live and die by the and it's Masters and the Wall Seniors. These three right here, and those were the lineup. Those were the lineup. Wow, got me the self-cut system right here, bro. I actually need to take this. This is not the light up one though. Can you say graveyard? Let me show you. Let me show you. That's the graveyard right there, bro. That's the graveyard. Man, so many memories, but I gotta head to the shop, man. Be back here later. Oh, there it is. Self-cut system. Not really sure why I'm making this video. Just want to show you guys the shop.
You gotta schedule vacations in your 5-year plan. You gotta schedule celebrations in your 5-year plan. You gonna have several revelations in your first 5 days. In your first 5 minutes, have your first 5 fans. For like 45 minutes, take your first shift break. There's no time for impatience in your 5-year plan. You got time for hesitation in your 5-year plan. A lot of shit came at you in a 5-year span. If you followed your flight plan, you'd be right here praying. Eyes closed, right now saying, Lord of Lords, I know you gave abundantly, even gave up your son for me, no need for sacrificing my plans. And I love to say your name, it come from my diaphragm. I just had to scare him off and draw a line in the sand. Anything you gave to me, they couldn't pry from my hands. Anything you gave to me, I know it's right for my brand. I know shortcuts cut short, long run.